Homemade advent calendar time, and should we just count them? Shall we just count them here? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That's it. My John Lewis order came through. Okay, today we are going to go for this one. Ho ho ho, you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fandozy festive day. And welcome to my 12 days of Vlogmas, day 3. I forgot to put my dealy boppers on for day 2. Sorry about that, soz. And I wasn't even wearing a Christmas top either. But today I've rectified that by wearing my Love Your Sprouts t-shirt. And I do love my sprouts, really, really do. And I've got my little glittery Santa hat. It looks a bit like a clown's hat, but you know, I'll go with it. I'm very, very excited today because today is our village festival. Our village has a little Christmas festival. We moved middle of December last year. We just missed it. So this year we are going to be joining in and we're very, very excited to see what that's like. And I'm going to get around to doing some Christmas cards because I want to get them in the post fairly early doors. These ones, I would call them gnomes, but I've seen them in shops and they've been called gonks as well. This is a pack of 10 cards and this is from the St. Helena charity shop. I always try and buy charity Christmas cards where possible. And don't send that many Christmas cards anymore. To me, birthday cards are the important cards because that's about you. Christmas cards do let people know that you're thinking of them, and we will be sending some to some family members when we receive them, is try and reuse them as labels for next year's presents, if that makes sense. So I would cut off the sort of back end of the card with all the writing in it and everything and just leave the front pretty picture and then write on the reverse of that and stick it onto a prezi. And they do work quite well, especially when my mum-in-law sends us to my son and daughter-in-law. We can then use that as a gift tag for our son and his wife. So I'm going to check the stamp situation and get stuck into those in a bit, but let's do the advent calendar. Wait, hold up one moment, because I had a fail. These arrived. Can we just have a moment to appreciate just... Oh, she glittery. Can't get my damn foot in there. Can't get my damn foot in there. The way that this is cut, I have no doubt that once my foot's in there it would be fine, but I just couldn't get my silly little trotter through and under. My heel got stuck here and I was worried about damaging the booty. So it's a big fail, and I'm sharing this with you because this was on my birthday and Christmas wish list and I am gutted. Sending those back tomorrow. Now we can get into the advent calendar, and I've just remembered what's in here and I'm happy. Well, I chose it, so you know, but it's also, oh my gosh, we'll get into it and I'll show you. Right, in this, it is not a bottle. It is the last 4 remaining Caramacs that I've been able to find in my local area. Nestle are discontinuing the Caramac, which is the greatest candy bar known to man, and I want to know why. And I have been on a little hunt, a little spree, trying to buy up all of them in my local area. It is just a sort of creamy, caramelly, burnt caramelly kind of sweetie candy type thing. It's not chocolate, it's not a chocolate bar. And let me know if you knew that Nestle were discontinuing this. And if you didn't know and you've just found out now and you love these, then I'm very, very sorry. And if you're in my local area, I think these are the last 4 in Essex. My plan is to smash through one of these while I'm writing out my Christmas cards. Right, let's see. I've put the girls' advent calendar up here. Hopefully try and keep it a little bit safe under the watchful beak of T-Rex turkey. So where are we at now? This always confuses me when I'm doing a 12 days So it should be 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Where is 5 and 6? 5 is down here. And 6 is here. And now I just need some cats. Babies. Come on, we've got day 5. We've got day 6. Come on. Oh, hi, Daisy. Yeah. Come on. Oh. Hi, Lily. Daisy. Daisy. Oh, no. Yeah, come on. Nice. Oh. There's one more in here. Lily, is this you? Good girl. We're walking into the village for our little festival, a little Christmas festival. I'm so excited. We moved here after it happened last year, so we missed it. I don't know how I'm supposed to drink this. This is a hot chocolate under here. And I'm doing it cat-handed. Cat-handed for me. Oh my god, look at that cream. It's been a bit. Mmm.